objects and owners. Mudaf or mudaf ilayh. Mudaf is the object and mudaf ilayh in Arabic is the owner. Okay, so now let's look at an example. The word kitab means book. Now, why have we got a dhamma, a u sound on the last letter? The reason why we got a dhamma on the last letter is because the subject, the main thing that's being spoken about in this phrase is the book. And it has a vowel mark on the last letter, which is a u sound, which shows that is the subject, the main thing that's being spoken about. Now, Allah is the owner of this book. How do we know that He's the owner of this book? Because in Arabic, if you see a vowel on the last letter of a noun, of a name, or of something, then that means that it is the owner of that object. So if we read from right to left in Arabic, we see that it says Kitabullahi. Now these two words are together, so that means that one is the object and the other one is the owner. Allah's book. Allah is the owner because He has a vowel on the last letter of His name, and the word kitab is the subject, the main thing that's being spoken about, and that is the book, Allah's book. Now that's simple, straightforward. Now let's look at the objects in the practice section. Abd means slave, and if we were to make a small phrase, we would say Abd is the subject. Abdu, the main thing that's being spoken about, and the people, that is An-Nas. Al-Nas means the people. So if you were to say the people's slave, then that would be Abdun Nasi. And if we were to say, for example, the word Abd again, and if we were to say Allah, so Abdu means slave, and Allahi is the owner. So typically people have the name Abdullah in Arabic, but linguistically it's Abdullahi, because Allah is the owner of that slave. Oh, let's look at another one. Let's look at the word Sunnah. Sunnah means a way. Now, the Sunnah of the Prophet. Okay, so you would say Sunnatun Nabiyyi. The Prophet's way. Now, I want you to practice with other words, other objects and other owners, and make your own small phrases.